Are you guys ready?
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, representing Harlem Heat from South Korea, weighing in at 265 pounds, Dog Burton!
The WWE Universe already reaching a fever pitch upon their arrival, and we are just seconds away from a highly anticipated match.
Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
And his opponent from South Korea, weighing in at 270 pounds, Harry!
You know, this person takes some pride in their work, but who can blame them? Few are as gifted in the ring as this performer.
Wow, you are laying it on thick, Saxton. Don't worry, I'm sure they'll hear you when they watch this match 10 times before bed tonight.
You're my best part. I can see this all night. Coming so close underneath this light. In the right time, someday you'll realize that your touch brings me to life now. And whatever it is, so don't you worry about it. There's no way I'll come into my arms.
The look of focus and determination on his face. He wants to show the world that he can compete on this high level.
All the ways you know down. In a crush now, baby, don't be shy now. Just keep looking right into my eyes.
You can see by the look on his face that he came here tonight to send a message.
He's certainly determined to prove a point, and that's that he should be on top.
Well, he has the opportunity to prove that point tonight, Corey. We'll see if he's all bark.
Yeah, but meeting him in the ring's quite an obstacle. There's nothing about this superstar that signifies he'll be a pushover. Got him in the corner now.
Corner, and a couple back elbows to follow.
Hoping to end it here. Lifts the shoulder up.
Already having to expel so much unnecessary energy this early on.
Forearm club.
Getting carried to a vulnerable position here.
Piercing the throat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this raw power.
Gut-wrench suplex.
Well, they say everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. Well, someone just threw their plan out the window.
Snap power slam.
He is staying aggressive now.
And he's looking unstoppable right now.
And any one of those shots could take you out for good. He's got to mind the count-out rules as he heads ringside. Man, what timing on that counter.
Boom! The arm taking the brunt of that.
Fist drop. Thrown out of ringside and back to the mat.
Bulldog! Delivered with force.
Boom! Good defense from him.
Looks like he knew what was coming up.
Not a good spot to be in. Ooh, right to the throat. Will this be enough? And he manages to kick out at one.
Frankly, he should have known that wasn't enough.
Going to be woozy after that impact.
Seated on their opponent, trapping their arms. Wow. Good grief, man. This is vicious.
And this attack has him looking powerless.
Yeah, this is not the situation he wants to be in.
Looking to lock it in here. Camel clutch.
You can feel him desperately trying to find a way, and he does.
Down with a sling blade.
And a basement drop kick.
Into the cover. This might be it. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
Obviously still has some fight left.
Ooh. Inverted atomic drop. Ooh. Answer that with a knee.
All the way up. All the way down.
Night-night.
Precision offense into the pin. This could be it.
Within inches of victory, only to have it snatched away.
This match just keeps getting more and more exciting.
Throwing everything in the kitchen sink in there, but to no avail.
He's in a bad place. This is where it could all end for him.
Back elbow.
Did you see that? Anticipated that.
Just rubbing salt in the wound now.
Got the leg and drops the elbow.
Hammerlock is in. DDT.
Oh, look at this. Measuring. He's about to unleash something big.
Pops up there. Opponent into the powerbomb.
That hit flush. He ate all of it.
2 count. No, he beats the count.
Can you imagine how much escaping that pin must have cost him?
I can. These are the moments where you really find out how tough you are.
Hey, it might be time for a change of strategy. His best move didn't get the job done. Nice takedown. Stack them up. A great counter to cover.
No! Holy moly, how? My goodness, is this even legal?
I don't think so. My God, enough!
He's attacking without consequence. He might have him here.
Is this it?
No! Kick out at 2.
Almost inhuman at this point.
And now placed in the corner.
Wicked clothesline.
These men have given everything they have and more at this point.
This is a critical moment now to see who can find a way to keep going.
Getting raided with a succession of strikes.
Looking for more damage here.
Release back suplex. And this onslaught's really taken everything out of him.
He just doesn't seem to have any response right now. He is trying to get up, but it is not going well. Pops up there.
Will that be enough to end it?
This has to be it.
2, 3, no! 2 count.
You gotta be kidding me.
Surviving that maneuver is absolutely amazing. That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result. To the back of the neck. What a move. He's just stacking up these attacks.
And this is exactly the way he had it drawn up.
Caught him right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot. Choosing to go after the head here. Interesting strategy.
And he isn't looking helpless anymore.
He's able to stop that onrush. Now looking to capitalize. Turned it into an arm drag.
Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's gotta hurt. Oh, to the arm. Terrible. Uh-oh. Oh, my God, what a move.
adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
It pulls off the reversal. Quick thinking that time. Oh my, turn that around and spiked it.
Carefully measuring, waiting to strike.
Check out this big powerbomb.
That can close the curtains on him. Oh, look at it torture their opponent. Uh-oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man. You can feel it. The place is rocking.
The WWE Universe making their feelings known.
Ripping at the eyes.
Look at this.
Oh, from the rope. And it's really hard to watch him just be pummeled like this.
Yeah, he is far, far away from being in the driver's seat. Basement drop kick. A pin. We have a pin.
That's it. The blood and sweat put into this match. Well worth it. Here is your winner. You cannot say they didn't give it their all and then some to achieve this victory.
After this win, you cannot question the heart and determination of this superstar.
Well said, Byron. I don't think anyone will be questioning that from now on.